Where's Elijah?
Hi kids! Well, today we're gonna make homemade pizza.
Yay! Why are we making homemade pizza?
Because all the restaurants is closed.
Why is it closed?
Because there was was on lockdown.
What's a lockdown?
Lockdown means they locked down every store and building, but not our building, not home buildings.
Okay. Alright. So what's your ingredients to making your homemade pizza?
We need,
You have a
one
list?
dough,
What are we using as a dough?
pandesal bread,
Yeah, because the supermarket ran out of
dough.
dough. So,
First, we need to flatten.
okay, what
It.
other ingredients do you need?
We need some sauce,
Pizza sauce.
pizza sauce, and some toppings.
What are the toppings there?
There is mushrooms, some pineapple, ham, bacon, and there's even more. Red bell pepper and onions.
And this, how about this?
Butter.
Yeah, and your favorite?
Cheesy.
Cheese. Okay. So, there are different types of versions of pizza, right? So, what are you making?
Kid version.
The kid version. What is mommy making?
Healthy version.
Healthy version.
And some other versions are everything version.
Everything on it.
Yeah.
First, what you already flattened the dough.
Okay.
You need to
Spread some butter.
okay. You spread.
Spread some butter. I need to spread some butter.
Why do we need to spread butter?
So it will be crunchy.
It will be crunchy. Very good. Okay, mommy too.
Boo, boo.
Oh, I think we need more butter because you put a lot in yours. Okay, after we're done with the butter, what do you need to put?
We need some sweet pizza sauce.
Okay, let's try this. I'll just put a little bit and then you spread it over, okay?
Okay.
One dot. One and two. That enough?
There and another one. There, enough.
Let's see, mommy too. One and two. Ah! That's too much. Okay. Spread it over. Do you like it with more sauce? We can add more.
No, thank you. That's enough.
That's enough. It's not even red yet. Let's see.
So it needs to be all red.
Yes, it needs to be all red because you see pizza, it's red, right?
Uh-huh.
So we need to add more. And then you can put a bit more of butter
I don't want
from the sides so that the crust is crunchy. Okay.
Okay, thanks. Oh, it's sticky.
Okay. All done. After that, what do you do next?
We need some cheese.
Your favorite. How much cheese do you want?
This. And some more. I love cheese.
You love cheese?
Yes. This is my favorite food.
Really?
Yes.
Cheese monster.
Yeah.
Okay. Is
How
that enough
much?
cheese?
Yeah.
Wait, let's put some more so that...
It looks yellow.
Yes.
Yellow for zebra. Zebra. Yellow zebra.
Yellow for zebra? Yeah, Y is for yellow. Okay. And zebra is not yellow. Never mind. Okay, what's next? You put some of your ingredients na. Of your
Okay.
topping. What's your topping?
My topping is... No, okay, I better use my hand. This is super hard.
Okay, because it's so small. How much bacon do you want?
That's
Crispy bacon?
that. There.
Okay, you spread. Oh, the other side is bacon. Is it yum?
Mm-hmm.
Good. The other side is bacon, the other side is ham.
Mm-hmm.
You want it like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna add some more ham. There.
Okay, Mommy will put everything on it. With pineapple.
With some bell pepper and onions.
With the onion rings.
It looks like
Like what?
a frisbee.
With red bell peppers.
It's just a frisbee with red bell pepper, and it flew away.
Okay, next, the meat.
Some meat and some crunchy and
You can eat the one that fell over. Is it crunchy? Yummy? Okay, done. Okay, we're gonna do the rest of the pizza and then we'll put it in the oven, okay? Let's see what it will taste like.
See you later. Voila! Well, kids, welcome back to the show. And next thing, we are about to bake it, oven it, bake
You
it,
need to put it in the oven. For how long?
5 minutes.
5 minutes? You think that will be done in 5 minutes?
Or how about 7 minutes?
Okay, we'll
8
see.
minutes. Hi kids, welcome back to the show. And we'll look at our pizza. It's done.
After how many minutes?
10 minutes.
If you don't like it toasted, just probably 8 minutes or 5 minutes.
Yes.
Yay!
And we can also not see the butter.
Let's try it. Who's our judger?
Lola! Come
Lola.
in, come in.
Come in, Lola.
Coming in.
Oh,
let's
you taste
see.
it. This one, the everything on top.
Okay.
It's hot.
It's hot.
Wait. Okay.
Okay. First, try mommy's version. It's the everything version.
Is this mommy's?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's the
But
everything
this is
version.
the kids' version, and this is for you, Elijah. You have
Yum.
to try it, but it's a bit hot.
Yummy.
You have to blow it.
Oh,
No, this is everything on it. Sorry. The kids' version is this because how did I know? There is pineapple. Do you like pineapples? Do you like pineapples?
No
I thought that's your
pineapple.
favorite.
No pineapple.
Oh, damn.
is that the kid?
This is the kid version because it's only... Let's take off the burnt part. Okay. Because it has only ham and...
Ham and some.
What's this?
Cheese.
No, this one
What's that?
is called bacon.
It's a bit hot.
Cheese.
It's like gonna take like 100 blows.
Enough.
Small bite.
Is it hot?
Super.
Super hot? Super hot? Is it yummy? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Good. What's your favorite pizza?
My favorite pizza is pepperoni and cheese.
Okay, but they don't have pepperoni in the supermarket. Next time, okay? Or you eat it all by yourself.
Yay! Comment down below for the other food that that you want me to bake. And like, share, and subscribe. Bye!